The Journalists Association has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the private building and construction firm to construct a media house and village for journalists at Panpanso near Nsawam in the eastern region. A 2-bedroom house sells for 60,000 cedis, whilst a 3-bedroom costs 80,000 cedis. The first phase is 100 housing units for journalists.
Low remuneration is one of the challenges media practitioners face within the Inky fraternity that makes it very difficult for some to even own a house. During last year's GJA Awards night, the president of GJA, Mr. Roland Afelmoney, announced a housing scheme for journalists to resolve the accommodation challenges that confront the members of the association. Today, the GJA has rolled out a project dubbed the Media Village Project, MVP. Under the GJA KOANS Building Solutions project, the real estate company will construct 100 affordable housing units every year. According to the GJA, a 2-bedroom will be sold at 60,000 Ghana cedis, while a 3-bedroom will go for 80,000 Ghana cedis. The CEO of KOANS Building Estates, Mr. Kofi Anochi, said owning a house must not be a sole preserve for the rich, and therefore urged members of GJA to take advantage of the initiative.
The KOANS Media Village, I think, is the first of its kind on the African continent. It's the result of visionary leadership of Mr. Afelmoney and his team. KOANS as a company has a reputation for being a friend of the media. And it is that quest to see improvement in the living standard of journalists, the fourth estate of the realm, that made us consider this proposal.
The Deputy Minister for Works and Housing, Madam Frida Prempe, lauded GJA and the KOANS initiative as the move will help reduce the housing deficit in the country.
I want to urge both parties to perform their respective roles and obligations due them. I came to the documents to be presented and inspected. I hope and pray meet standards required in order to avoid any form of contention that will prolong this development and deny members of their houses in time. In view of this, I affirm the signing of this MOU with the hope that having an MOU between the Ghana Journalists Association and KOANS Estate will contribute to our collective ambition of providing safe and affordable shelter for our members and our families.
After completing the form of 1,000 Ghana cedis, a buyer needs to pay 50% of the cost and the remaining 50% in installments.